Hello, and we're live. Thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Cindy, and this is my channel for Can Do Math Tutoring and Can Do Math Virtual Academy. So I have renamed my course to Can Do Math Virtual Academy because I'm offering actual classes as well as one-on-one tutoring. If you are in need, you can let me know. But my goal right now is to fill my 2 Algebra 1 classes for the fall. And this video is going to be all about why Algebra 1 is the most important high school math course. Now, many parents think Algebra 1 is just another math class. I don't believe that's true. In my opinion, Algebra 1 is the foundation for nearly every math course that follows. If that foundation is weak, students often struggle for years. But if it's strong, everything else becomes much more manageable. Today, I want to share 3 reasons why. Algebra 1 is the language of higher math. Everything that comes after Algebra 1 assumes that students already understand solving equations, working with variables, graphing functions, exponents, and geometry even uses algebra. Algebra 2 builds directly on Algebra 1. Chemistry and physics regularly use algebraic equations. Many college placement exams also expect Algebra 1 skills for every class, teaching, business, any kind of class that you're going to take in college, you are required the basic skills. Tell me what your student wants to do, and I'll tell you they need Algebra 1. It's a little like learning to read. If a child struggles with basic reading, every other subject becomes harder. Algebra works the same way in mathematics. So, my second point is confidence is built in Algebra 1. Many students decide whether they are good at math during Algebra 1. If they constantly feel confused, they often begin saying things like, I'm just not a math person. But many students don't actually lack ability. They simply need clear explanations, practice, someone to answer questions, encouragement when they're stuck. Confidence grows when students experience success, one concept at a time. Parents don't have to do it alone. That's my third point. This day and age, you have so many options. This is especially true for homeschool families. Many parents tell me, I haven't done algebra in years. I don't remember how to factor. I'm afraid I'll teach it wrong. That's completely understandable. Even if you want to learn the algebra and do it along with your child, that might be time that you really don't have in your everyday busy life. So, one of the advantages of live online instruction is that parents can remain in control of their homeschool while students receive guidance from an experienced math teacher. The parent doesn't lose flexibility. The student gains support. It's a win-win situation. And let me tell you, I, as a teacher, I love doing math, so I win too. My goal isn't simply to help students finish Algebra 1. My goal is to help them actually understand it. Because when students understand Algebra 1, they're prepared for geometry and Algebra 2 and any other math that they'll encounter in college, trade school, or many careers. I have to tell you as well, going into business math, Algebra 1 is also helpful for that. That's exactly why I created Can Do Math Virtual Academy. We have small classes, live instruction, personal attention, and a strong mathematical foundation that students can build on for years to come. If you'd like to learn more, I'd love to talk to you. It's an exciting time. We hear about things that are happening in the schools and how negativity seems to be the words of the day, right? Everything's negative. But we have resources that we can give our kids a really good experience with teaching online. I have experience teaching online for many classes. I've been teaching online for almost 10 years now. And I can tell you, I have techniques with the small classes. We can all work together, help each other, and have a really enjoyable time with Algebra 1. Can you imagine your students saying, I love algebra? That can happen. Please let me know if you're interested in talking more about it. You can comment below this video or you can send me a private message. I also have a new email address and it is candomath1234@gmail.com. I will put my contact information below this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do not have an Algebra 1 student, please let your friends know and pass the word along. Help is on the way for Algebra 1 students. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.